What's good? In this video, I'm going to talk about tech packs and show you one of my tech packs and explain my tech pack process. I see a lot of people on the internet saying like, oh my God, you need a perfect tech pack and it needs to be 30 pages long, but I don't think that's the case. This is the tech pack for a pair of trousers that I am releasing very soon. It's super simple. I'll break down all of the pages in a second, but before I got here, I started with this document. This is my outline for the construction of the trousers. The very top, I have the photo and fit references. These are a pair of nylon gabardine trousers by Prada. I listed the key measurements and details for the waist, pleats, hip, thigh, leg opening, inseam, pockets, closure, and belt loops. Then I listed the construction details, including the fabric, which is a black nylon, with triple stitched seams at stress points to enhance durability. I noted a blind stitch hem to maintain a clean, uninterrupted line, and viscose lining for the interior details. Then I included the inside label details, including the cut and logo that needs to be stitched into the tag. I put this outline document as well as the black logo PDF that needs to be stitched into the tag into this trousers folder, which I then sent to the atelier that I work with. They use a platform called Clo3D to create custom patterns and 3D mockups for my garments. If you are unfamiliar with the term pattern in fashion, it is the piece of fabric with specific dimensions that needs to be cut and sewn. This is the pattern sheet for this pair of trousers. It's a little difficult to see, but this is input directly into a machine, which will then cut all of these pieces of fabric down to the very specific dimensions. Then a real person will take all of these pieces of fabric and sew them together. The instructions for sewing the pieces together are then put into my tech pack. So here is the actual tech pack. Page 1 includes a mock-up drawing. Page 2 has details about the fabric, the zip fly, side pocket, side seam, and darts. Here's the information for the inside label with the straight cut and no fold. Page 3 shows how to measure each piece of fabric. These numbers on page 3 correspond with the numbers on page 4, which have the exact centimeter measurements. Page 5 has 3D renders, and that's it. That's the whole tech pack. It's only 5 pages. Keep it very clean, very simple. The patterns are uploaded into the machine, and then a person references the tech pack for sewing the pattern pieces together. That's it for this video. If you learned something or found it valuable in any way, please like and subscribe. It helps me out so much. Be sure to get my free resources, PDFs, guides, AI tools, including my 6-figure clothing drop strategy for free at the link in the description. If there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future video, please leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.